Good morning, welcome back. We've come back to a job that we left a week ago because they went on holiday, so we just pulled off it for a week. Let's just show you where I am. It's well nice. We're back at this wall, so literally got that bit to do there and that return up that side. But look at this, I'm in shade. I love it. I'm in the shade for about another 4 hours, and I think that comes over then to the sun. So most importantly, last video got more than 100 likes and we set a challenge. 100 likes, Uncle Derek's got to register to YouTube and then subscribe to my channel, because he's a tight ass and he just does. I don't know, I know you don't pay for YouTube, but he just decides not to. So Derek, get it done. So yeah, let's enjoy the shade for a bit. See you soon. Right, I've got all them on. All sides of them pillars. Pillars actually run level, which is quite good. So they're twisted and audible and crappy. I just need to get one more box for there. There's another tile to go across there before we put the flag in. But the customer wanted another box anyway for spares, just in case. And it fell off, but looks so much better now. I'm going to start putting copings on this aft. The only thing we need to do is down here, get silicone down there. Because they're uneven tiles, they're not flat on back. They are quite hard to do actually. Very forgiving. But yeah, when it comes to corners, they're a bit hard. And Tom's just getting all this soil in. Got 10 tonne of soil around front. So he says, I'll just plod on and do that. Feels a bit of fitness. Crack on. Yeah, let's get his copings on. Right, so I spent a day tiling again. Looks nice now. Put copings on. Over that end we ended up putting it on the other side with tile adhesive because it was just too thin. All that rest were done with Gobbo primer on back at flag. But yeah, they look mint them now. Just looking at these, like whether it's silicone corners, I don't know. They'll just like go mouldy and crappy, you know what I mean? But that looks good now. Let's have a look from the other side. Just resined this up as well. Just need to open another bag for odd bit, but we're not going to bother till tomorrow. Yeah, it looks nice that. Beauty, innit? Tiles are like 65 quid a square metre. and they seem to go nowhere. They seem to fly through a box every time. Here I am again. Netflix hat on. I hate it wearing it, but sun is hot. Like 30 degrees today, I think. That's all they've been saying. Did anyone get a tattoo like this when they were 18 years old? 20 years later, I hate it. Proper hate it. Just want to cover up. But I don't know what to get. Any suggestions? Let us know. Yeah, guys, see you at morning. Bright and early tomorrow. Good morning. Guess what? It's cloudy. We are loving this. I'm just in shade. Love it. So this morning, I've literally just got here. First 15 minutes, put this sealant in on each corner. It just looks a bit black. It just looks a bit dark. So we put sealant in on every external corner. So we're just going to fill this up now. This soil bed up, and then we are putting the blocks in at this side. Dead quick. Down there. Put the blocks in. And then we are going to soil up. First half, get it ready, turf ready. Second half, turf ready. Then any spare soil down there, round bike drive, we're going to fill these planters in. God, there's loads of rubbish here. You just hide your rubbish in planters, don't you, till you need it. But yeah, and then we're going to wait until I think Friday to turf it. It cools down on Thursday night, so we'll be turfing it Friday by the looks of it. Right, so like I say, they're jointed up. I've jointed these up here, all the way down. I built this step here, a couple more tiles on front, one flag on top, finito. Probably doing that Friday, concentrate on this soil. Look at this, how nice this looks. That tape there is just holding all that resin in till tomorrow. Kieran can take that off if he likes. But that's nice now, isn't it? Bit of a sunken patio. Looks nice. So, we're now this afternoon concentrating on soiling this up. And the planters up. So in this area here is quite deep, so we're going over it again. But what we do is rake it level to this block that we've just put in. Rake it level and then walk it in. Can you see all the footprints? Go there, it's better. Look how close you have to keep going. Just walk it in, walk it in, walk it in. If you don't walk it in, it'll sink. If you just rake that soil out there, it just sinks straight away. The most important thing is the prep work in turfing. So it's even more important for us because we've got the grass cutting contract on here. So I want it to be level for our grass cut to look nice every fortnight. So yeah, keep watching. Just thought I'd give you a POV of me walking it in with my trainers on, because I'm an absolute rebel. Bloody warm, I'm telling you. No breeze, hardly any sun, and absolutely red hot. I think it's worse so. You need cloudy, 19 degrees. Everyone says, but it's acing your job in this weather, innit? No, it's horrible. It's horrible. Winter's better, you can do more, work faster, and then you get warm. And you earn more money because you're working faster. Job gets done quicker. Oh yeah, this is how you walk in, brothers. Right, that's all prepped. So we've walked it in, I've done about 60,000 steps, but look how good this wall looks from here. Looks nice, that. Looks nice. Gotta give me a subscribe if you like that wall, Charlotte of God. But yeah, we've been saying that we're getting this turf on Friday, but we are going to get it tomorrow. Like the customer water the hell out of it in this weather. But yeah, it's looking good now. Zoom back out. Yeah. Tom's going to get started on this side. I'm going to be over there filling that planter with soil. And then we'll put boards down on this side again to get that soil in. So yeah, it's looking good. See you morning. That is how the turf is cut. It's the right machine, innit? So we've come up to York this morning to pick some turf up. It's a right trek, but it's worth it. It's cheap as hell. It's like buying something from a manufacturer rather than getting so you missing middlemen out. Should supply it really. It's really good money. But yeah, it's nice and green. How green it is. Wow, it's nice. Obviously, that's the aftermath. I wonder why they've stopped here though. I wonder what's up with that bit. Yeah man, it's nice. Right, anyway, we need to go to site. See you soon. Right, Tom started laying it. No messing about with this kid while I get a coffee, but there you go. So, this is how I lay turf. Stripe it. Up that way, down one. Up, down. Only lasts about a week, but looks good for customer while they're paying. Always looks good. So, I always 8x4 sheets of ply, cut them in half. Do not step on the grass. If you step on the grass, sackable offence. Any footprints on the grass, made by the customer, it's not our fault. They pay for us to come down and redo it, fill the footprints in. And whilst cutting his turf, we stopped using Stanley knives, little saws, or saws cut in half, blunt saws or anything. Just so much faster, especially when you've got like a concrete edge or something. It just brush it down edge and it just cuts it. So much faster. I've always used Stanley knives, but this feels now, when you're decorating at home and you've got your plasterers being made an absolute mess, decorators being made a mess, and this is when you get your carpet down and it feels like, wow, it's done. It's done. But yeah, can see end of it. Can see end. Going to be finished today. This will be down, and then we just need to do odd bit. I'm going to do this, prep all that side, and then get soiling this afternoon. Hopefully it stays cloudy because it's bloody warm. Don't want any sun with this. But that is green, that turf. Proper green. I like it. Is that Wembley or what? Better than Wembley. Ellen Road standard, that. So, goes well with that. Really promotes that wall up there. Gonna get that on drive. On right hand side of my drive. And I'll have like a raised planter. Just need to finish that off. We're gonna come in a couple of days' time. Chuck some soil in there for him. Yeah, we're finished here now. Looks very nice. Right, see you at morning, guys. It's 6 o'clock at night here. It's red hot, and I never work this late. I'll see you soon. So I've just got home after this bloody long shift. Seems like we're very busy at the minute, but we have loads of like, I need to finish at half 2, need to finish at 3, need to get here, need to get there. So finally, Leeds United have been in touch. They don't rush for anything, do they? And they want my son for 4-week block, which is good. But we don't know when it's going to start. We haven't got a start date yet. They're going to arrange with me to get a start date. So at least we know something's happening. But he's signed for the academy in Manchester. And now, yeah, we're just waiting for this. So that'll be Saturday football, Wolf for Leeds. But his academy plays on Sunday. And luckily, all training's just different days, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. I think he's absolutely buzzing now they've actually got in touch. It seems real, if you like. So, yeah, well, I've got an easy day tomorrow and then an early day on Friday. Finishing early again, as per usual. But yeah, I will see you soon, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next episode.